That's getting loose on lunch to you. Welcome to episode 4. Today I am gonna paint on the home wall, and you've seen in the last couple of episodes they've been raw and I've been doing that same throw up. Today I'm going to spend a bit more time. I'm going to spend about an hour. I'm going to turn that into a piece, and I've been working on it a little bit, trying to make it a bit more interesting. Excuse Dirty Dexter, he's got a bee in his bonnet about something out there. So I'm going to take you over to the wall now, recording this bit in here because it's a bit loud outside. The sun's out, and in the UK when the sun's out everybody goes in their gardens and shouts and makes noise. So I'll put some music over the top of this. Just going to be one camera angle. I'm going to set the camera up on a tripod. I'll do a couple of cuts in it to make it a bit more interesting. Let's get to the wall, see what we can do.
Shut your noisy mouth, Dexter.
I need to get Dexter a toy because he's driving me mental. I'm just going to mulch out the background. I'm using that same colour because I used it last weekend and the roller's still got it on it. Plus I won't have to use as much because same colour. Outline time, going with this Nautilus blue, which is a really like navy dark blue from Montana Gold. Red or light blue for the key line. that's it. I'll show you a better view in a minute, but a couple of hours, what do you think? It ain't great, but I had fun doing it. Fairly quick, and that's what getting loose on lunch is all about. See you next time. Peace.